Welcome to NextStep Overseas Pathway, your complete guide to studying abroad. Step by step. Step 1. Free consultation. We begin with a free, no obligation consultation where we understand your academic background, discuss your career goals, and assess your English test scores. This session is completely free. Step 2. Profile evaluation. We review your academic transcripts, grades, and work experience to assess your strengths. Based on this, we identify areas for improvement and begin shortlisting suitable universities and courses for you. Step 3. University shortlisting. With access to over 40,000 colleges across 33 countries, we match your profile with the right course requirements. Considering your budget, preferred location, and career outcomes, top destinations include USA, UK, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Ireland. Step 4. Document preparation. We guide you through preparing all required documents, including your statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, academic transcripts, and a strong resume. Every document is crafted to highlight your strengths. Step 5. Application submission. We submit your applications to shortlisted universities, track application status, and respond to university queries on your behalf. We help you apply to multiple intakes: January, September, and May. Step 6. Offer letter and acceptance. Once you receive conditional or unconditional offers, we help you compare them across universities and choose the best fit. We then guide you through accepting the offer and paying the tuition deposit. Step 7. Visa application. We provide complete guidance on student visa requirements, help you prepare financial documents and bank statements, and support you through the visa appointment and biometrics process, right until your visa is approved. Step 8. Pre-departure and beyond. We assist with accommodation and travel bookings, conduct the pre-departure briefing, and connect you with our alumni community. At NextStep Overseas Pathway, we are with you every step of the way. Start your journey today. Call or WhatsApp us on 94044844906.